I've been trying to do it right.
It's with deep affection for Julia and Alex that we have come together to celebrate their love and commitment to each other. Today, they begin a new life together. Their love and hope and dreams have brought them to this moment. We wish them the best of all good things from this day forward and for the rest of all their days.
So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery.
Alexander, will you have Julia to be your wife, and will you love her faithfully as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Julia, will you have Alexander to be your husband, and will you love him faithfully as long as you both shall live?
I will.
I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's focus on somewhere bleeding now. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him.
I have to say that Alex came and he fit in and it was seamless. They're just like a perfectly matched pair.
Alex, you may be the luckiest person ever. Julia, your kindness, your sense of humor, your beauty, and your extremely unique approach to life. It just makes you such an incredible person. I'm honored and humbled to call you my sister. Alex and Julia, husband and wife. Congrats, you guys.
I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's
Julia and Alex, I think your hearts have been singing since the day you met. Julia, my heart sings as well, knowing how loved and cherished you are by this wonderful, kind, gentle soul you have found. I love you both.
I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's focus on
Thank you so much. I love you all. Julia, I love you very, very, very much. You're the reason we're all here today, and I cannot wait for every single day with you. Thank you so much.